Do you want to know how you can create a new channel using Otter AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use Otter AI to create new channels. Go ahead and open Otter AI on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. You can see on the left hand side there is channels. So go ahead and click on this add button over here and write down your channel name. So after you write down your channel, go ahead and invite your friends and your team members. It is optional, so you can write down your team member's name or else you can even skip it. So go ahead and click create channel and you can see that a new channel has been created. You can go ahead and edit it as well. You can go ahead and start recording the info and you can invite members clicking invite, which is on the top right hand corner. That's it guys, this is how you add a new channel using Otter AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.